nahuhuli. I believe Congressman Erice ay opinyon ng maraming tao. Either you are a supporter of President Marcos or not. Think that most of the people then are thinking about the same thing na sinabi ni Congressman Erice, which is parang baka naman may nagtatakip na sa investigasyon ba. And I think that this stemmed from overpromising of the government. The more they question, the more na hindi nangyayari, and then the government always do a damage control. That's the time that people will speculate. Gagawa sila ng mga theories na wala namang basehan, pero they try to connect the dots kahit wala namang basehan. Lumalaki yung mga question. If the government can really solve itong flood control issue kasi ang tagal-tagal na. And then, naging question na rin sa kanya, sabi niya dito, na kung totoo bang hinahanap ng gobyerno si Saldico. Kasi parang, okay, alam na natin na kinasuhan na si Saldico, pero bakit parang ang tagal kumilos ng gobyerno? Nito na lang, which is the month of April, nagpadala sila ng government official to go to the Czech Republic. Pero kung titignan mo, dapat ano pa, 'di ba, last year pa lang or January pa lang nagpadala na. Then that's another question. I think that this this part of the process na nagpadala si President Marcos ng mga government officials sa Czech Republic, I think this is something to do with the lengthy process na kailangan nilang pagdaanan before they even bring someone from our government to the Czech Republic. I think this is like a technically or diplomacy or something to do with that, yung government to government relationship before they can even bring somebody in another government. And I really believe that sana nagawa na nila ito nung una pa lang. Kung magkaroon man ng issue na ba't sila pumunta doon, hindi man lang naayos, at least they already did their part na mahanap si Saldico. Yun lang, kaso tumagal eh. Yun yung nagiging issue eh, yung time issue nila. And then sabi niya rin dito, meron din daw delay sa Interpol Red Notice. Yun na, um, which is nagpapataas ng duda sa mga publiko. Totoo, kung nalaman talaga na there is delay sa pagbibigay ng Interpol Red Notice against Saldico, kaya pumapasok yung issue ng, baka naman nagtatago 'di ba? Baka naman may pinagtataguan, baka naman, may kino-cover up, hindi natin alam. Eh, yun lang naman is our ano, ah, opinion lang. Baka lang sabi niya rin posibleng may ibunyag si Saldico laban sa mga makapangyarihan, which is true kasi yun naman ang inaantay ng lahat. Wala din tayong extradition treaty, sa ibang bansa na concern like, I think, Czech Republic at saka France. Kaya ito yung probably na nakikita ni congressman na magiging hadlang para madala siya pabalik ng Pilipinas.
Ako, si Densable TV 2.0 at ito ang Pilcast kung saan ang katotohanan ay walang takot na sinasabi. Like, share, and subscribe na